Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Aramide Oyewale and today I'm going to be sharing my affordable skincare routine with you guys. I mean affordable, like you're not even spending points. Okay, so if you're new, kindly join the family by hitting the subscribe button, and guys, watch this video to the end because you're going to love it. Okay, so before I used to think that skincare was like a waste of time. And it was so expensive. Like you be seeing so many big brands putting 20k on one bottle. I couldn't afford it. It's not like I can't afford it, but I couldn't maintain it. You get why buy a bottle of 20k for maybe like 3 months and you can't continue to maintain it at the end of the year? It's a waste. You get what I'm saying? You feel me? Okay, so I watched a couple of videos and I said, this skincare thing, I'm even going to research, and find out like how can I do it my way. So I did a lot of research and I went to the supermarket a few days ago. I got my products and I started my skincare routine. So I was like, I have a family here. Why should I start it alone? Let me involve you guys. So I'm going to show you everything I bought and how much I bought, and you're going to find out that it's so affordable. Like skincare is not as expensive as you think. And personally, I feel the older you get, the wiser you get. When I was younger, I didn't really care about my skin, just do anything anyhow. But you have to start taking care of your body. I mean, it's your skin, do it for yourself, girl. Okay. So before I start showing products, I just want to mention that there is a nighttime routine and there's a daytime routine. So for this video, I'm going to be talking about the daytime routine. Mainly, I'm going to show you daytime routine products. If you want nighttime routine products, do let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do that. Okay? Daytime skincare, like what you do in the morning. The first thing you should do is like to cleanse your face. You get to do this with water and just clean your face, make it moist and all of that. Then next, I got with my toner. Okay, so this is Wheat, Rice and Milk Total Whitening Cleansing Toner. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah, so it's really good. Even has SPF 15. I really don't know how much this is because it was a gift, but I don't think it should be more than 500. I feel. So basically, how you use this toner is you're just going to apply. Oh, it smells so nice, rice and milk. You're just going to apply a little to your cotton wool and just clean your face. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so guys, don't come for me. This is the way I do my own things. It doesn't mean you have to do it that way. So make sure that your hair is back to back and doesn't affect your face. So you basically just put a little on cotton wool and just clean. Just clean your face and all of that. Okay, so like that, Sha. I think you should use like various cotton wools so you will not like transfer the get. So basically, what this toner does is just like moisturize the face and keep it fresh and all of that. Some people use rose water, but this is what I have and this is what I use, and it's been good for real. So next, after cleaning and using your toner, the next thing to do is to apply your serum. Now many people use this vitamin C serum. Basically, antioxidants are good when it comes to serum. So vitamin C is a very good example. But I couldn't get vitamin C at the supermarket that I went to, so I had to settle for this chameleon carrot oil extract. So it's a serum, but it's basically carrot oil. Yeah, I think you guys can see it. Yeah, so and I got this for, let me check the list. I got this for 420 naira. See, so affordable. And nobody said skincare is only for girls. Like guys can do skincare too. So this is what it looks like. And so basically, you just like take a little. I just have like 3 drops. Yes, and I just rub it and press it into my face. So do you get press it to your face? This is very, very good. I can't lie, guys. Every time I use this serum, I kind of feel like feel like invincible. I don't know if you get, but it's really good. So just press it to your face and let it do its magic. So I'm going to give a little disclaimer. Everything I'm giving here is not medical or professional advice. It's just what I do. And yeah. Okay, so next on my list is sunblock. Yeah, sunscreen. So I guess the Big Gold Whitening Sunblock Cream. It has SPF 30. You guys can see it. Yeah, it's really good. It's according to them waterproof. I don't know, but I like the anti-aging, anti-wrinkle part of it. Like, and the SPF is really good. Especially if you stay in Nigeria, you know how the sun is. I think anywhere safe. Like, you need to protect yourself from the UV rays, pollution, all of that. And this is really good. So I got this for, what's it now? I got it for 1,500 naira. Wait, I actually saw this Gavi sunblock or Gavia, which I wanted to get initially, but I said I had SPF 60 or so, and this one had 90. So you know, I had the better. Okay, so sunscreen, really good. I just basically, this is what it looks like, guys. Let me can see it. Okay, so I just basically apply like little, because I noticed that the more you apply, the more this thing looks like it just becomes more magically. So just apply a little. Okay, so just apply it. So just use my 2 fingers. So basically, like my T-zone area, my forehead, chin, my neck. That's alright. Because I put it on my hand. Like if I'm always wearing long sleeve, I just put it on wherever like the sun is going to touch. Cause you know Nigeria now, there's just summer, bro. So yeah, and you guys should make sure that you wash your hands before starting all this. Do you get? I basically do this routine when I'm done with taking my bath in the morning. And honestly, it's not really easy doing this and doing a 9 to 5 or a 5 to 9, like I like to call it. Yeah, because I basically go 5 and come back to 9. But if you are consistent for it, you see the changes. I just started like less than a week and I'm really seeing the changes. It's really worth it. Just, put your mind to it. So when I'm done taking my bath, I let my face, like I let it air dry. I don't usually show that I use for my body, for my face, so I know to transfer germs and all of that. So guys, I'm going to give it some time. So guys, actually skip something on purpose. Before applying the sunscreen, I usually moisturize my face using a face cream. So I was using one before, but I got a very nasty reaction. That's why I can't see all these pimples and all of that. So I have actually stopped using it, and that's why I don't want to recommend it to you guys, because it might not work out for some people too. So I'm actually looking forward to getting the Goji Berry face cream. I haven't gotten it yet because I'm not really seeing it in the supermarket I went to, but I'm looking forward to getting it, and I actually heard that it's really good and I want to try it out and see how it works. So before applying sunscreen, make sure you moisturize your face using your face cream. Okay guys, disclaimer again, everything I'm saying here is not professional advice, it's just what I do, and it works out for you. That's very great, right? So the last thing I do when it comes to my morning routine is I use this Vaseline. Yeah, I love this so much. Like since I found this baby, oh my god, I love it so much. I just use it for my lips basically. I use it to just moisturize my lips, like so just get a little and apply it. I feel really, I don't know, fresh when I use this stuff. I feel like it's faster. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So I got this for 420 naira. It's really affordable. It's worth it. Let me just tell you guys, it's really worth it. Cut it again. So you know there are many types of Vaseline. Let me know the ones you use in the comment section. This is the one I love the most. Alright guys. So in total, I use less than 3,000 naira for my face, which is really mad. Alright guys, so that's basically what my morning skincare routine is like. If you want me to talk about my nighttime routine or my body routine, do let me know, or the scrubs I use and all of that. I'll be so happy to do that. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and comment your thoughts below. See you in my next video guys. Bye.